Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves. Today I'm checking out a brand new Oxygen 16 new update, and trust me, these new features make your phone feel faster, smarter and more premium. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first feature is new visual design. Yes guys, so first Oxygen OS 16 brings a new Ecomorphic 2.0 design that is very clear, as here you can see. Wow, clear icons, smoother animations, and of course, fresh look. And the second feature is smart suggestions. Now your phone suggests apps and shortcuts based on your usage. Yes, it literally saves the time every day. And also here we get a search bar. And if you have many applications, so you can just search it out and you can enable to access the applications. Yes. So, and the best part is we can also add the shortcuts on lock screen. Here you can see calculator, add. Yes. And you can also easily remove it whenever you want, like this. Yeah, very easy. Visuals are very soft and speed up. So thirdly is one of my favorite feature, that is AI eraser. Yes, that's one fun. Just go to photos and select whichever image you want. Okay, here you can see, just tap on pencil icon and tap on AI editor and tap on AI eraser and select any unwanted object in your photo, like I want to delete this, and boom, it will erase. Here you can see guys. Now we will compare it. Look at that. Before it has two marks here and now it is gone. Super best feature. And the fourth one is smart charging. Yes, now guys, your battery will live longer now. So the smart charging slows down charging at night and speed ups when needed. Yes, on this toggle now your smart charging will be turned on. And now the fifth feature is improved game mode. Yes guys, for gamers, game mode now has lower latency, FPS monitor and a cleaner dashboard. And the sixth is privacy dashboard. Now you can see exactly which app is using your mic, camera or location in real time. As here you can see, so this phone is recording, so here we get a dashboard. Yeah, look at my microphone sound is off and on, so here we can easily see how exactly which app is using your mic. Okay, and now the next feature is new always on display. Yes, there are new AOD styles, health, weather, animation and more personalizations and the second one is smart camera app. The camera UI is redesigned, photos process faster with better HDR and night mode. Here are the few samples. You can see how amazing and clear photos are clicked. And the best feature I felt, you can now customize lock screen shortcuts. Here you can just add lock screen shortcuts, camera, torch, QR scanning, anything you want. Here you can see, look at this. So it is this transparent features, I really love it. And finally, performance is boosted. Apps open faster, RAM management is better, and overall the phone feels smoother as the butter. And overall the phone feels very smoother as like a butter. It's working very fast. Look at this. So these were the best new features of Oxygen OS 16. So tell me your favorite one in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves.